its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video. Say be happy.